What's going on, YouTube world?
It's your boy Slow Jixie here,
Giving you guys a little unpackaging video with the new 50S Sena Bluetooth communication system. Blah, blah, blah. God damn it. What's going on, guys?
It's your boy Slow Jixie here.
Giving you guys a little unpackaging video. What we have is the 50S Sena motorcycle Bluetooth communication system with mesh intercom. As you can see, I've already opened it from when it was delivered. So it's not official, but we got some more things coming in. Mind you, I'm not going to be putting this on the helmet that I currently have, which is a HJC, because I don't think there are slots for the speakers within the shell itself, although I don't think that matters. Would be nice. But that is nice. Just a gorgeous piece, wouldn't you say? Turn dial feels good. Buttons feel good. Lightweight. Sena, if you guys want to send me another one, because I'll be ordering more helmets, that would be just amazing. But I'd imagine these where speakers, microphone, extra 3M tape, charging cable, audio cable, extra microphone, external mic. We got some more 3M stickies in here. So I guess when I get my helmet, I'll give you guys the full unboxing video of that, and I'll install this.
I already love it.
Looks good, it's lightweight. I'm not quite sure the weight of it, but it feels good. Alright fam, until next time, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. You don't have to, doesn't matter, it doesn't cost you a thing, whatever. So yeah, whatever. Not much to it.
it's your boy Slow Jixie here.
Peace! Stuff in the mail today, baby. As you can see, this box is not open. I'm hoping it's one of my helmets. I believe it is. That came a lot faster than expected. Bellster.
This is sweet.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm just throwing everything everywhere. That's a nice cover for the helmet. And there we have it.
Stop.
Ooh. You coming?
Donald 29, 2020.
Come here, baby.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Look at
Look. Nice.
Whoa.
This.
Wow.
Come on. So before we get into this last little bit of this install video, I'm just going to let you guys know that I am running the GoPro 9 Black with the media mod. So I guess let me know in the comments below if you can tell the difference. Yeah. So let's get into this install. Now the first thing I did was remove the side pieces here, and right underneath those are a couple of pockets. The speakers are going to be going. Some stuff. And I might as well show you how you can switch out the microphone if you decide to get one of these. So you just got to take these screws off here in the back. Slide that forward. All you need to do is plug it in. There's a little locking mechanism that you twist, lock that in, and that's your microphone. But I'm not going to be using this microphone. Now you just want to find a spot that's going to work for you. You just slide that on like such. Make sure it's all the way down. Hopefully you can see that from that angle. 3M Velcro tape is stuck in those pockets for the speakers. Maybe run the wires through the inside of the mesh here. Let's get these back in. Now you can run the wires obviously however you want. To make sure the wire's pinched. So we still got that one sticking out. I'm just gonna run behind this. Jesus. Oh, maybe not. Good enough.
So I
Got the wires tucked in as best as I could. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten these up. And just like that. Install done, the centerpiece is on. See if it works. Hopefully you can hear it from outside the shell. Works is pretty loud. I'm pretty sure I've turned it down. So there you have it. This is the install. Hope you guys liked the video. Obviously I'm gonna find a place for the GoPro to go. Could use this microphone too. So hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff.
It's your boy, Slow